I'm going to clean and medicate this patient's ears. My tray of supplies has been set up. I have my ear cleaner, my ear medication, and some gauze squares, cotton balls, and cotton applicators. The first thing I'm going to do is have my assistant properly restrain the patient, and I'm going to put a sufficient amount of ear cleaner in the patient's ear and massage at the base of the ear to bring up all the debris. And then I'm going to allow it to drain out and allow the patient to shake his head. Good dog. All right, and then I'm going to clean the patient's ear with a cotton ball. And clean the ear flap. Any of the little nooks and crannies. Ensuring the patient's ear is very clean. And then I'm going to dry it thoroughly. And now I have Otamax, the medicated ear treatment, and I'm going to apply it without touching the applicator to the patient's actual ear and massage it down into the canal. And now his ears have been treated.